How to fix and solve X Twitter app timeline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix and solve X Twitter app timeline issue. If the network connection is doing wrong, the X Twitter will have a problem. Now restarting your smartphone usually also reports a network connection as well. So sometimes this sort of issue occur when you have a poor unstable internet connection. So you could go to settings, go to network and internet, check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. After which, what else you could do is you could go ahead and try updating your application. Sometimes outdated version can lead to this sort of minor glitches. So go to Play Store. And then on the search box, what you want to do is tap on the search box and type in X Twitter. When you go to this page, you want to check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Click the open, after it's updated, click the open button and this should be able to fix the issue. However, if this isn't the case, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to long press the Twitter application, then go to this I button or the app info section. Then what next you want to do is go to storage and cache, click on clear cache. Now if you click on clear storage, this is going to permanently delete some of your data. So if you're sure about it, only then do it, or else you could just simply leave it blank. By doing this, you should be able to fix the issue all at once. If that's not the case, you could also go ahead and restart your device and uninstall the Twitter X application one more time and reinstall it. That can be able to fix the issue all at once. However, or else there might be server issue itself, so you could wait for a couple of hours or get in touch with the support center. They'll be able to explain you with what happened with your issue. So that's the way you could fix and solve Twitter X app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.